concealer. I thought I was done. I just pulled all this out of that bottom drawer over there. want to organize my makeup room and get everything in order because everything is just everywhere and I'm really overwhelmed and it's really effing with my creativity. It'd be really cool to kind of organize with you guys, put on some super chill music, and I think I'm going to do my powders next. But you guys let me know, what would you like to see? Should I organize my powders next? Do you guys want to see my highlighters, blushes? There's just a lot to go through. And I think that filming it and doing it this way will help me get it done because I have been putting this off for such a long time and I just don't have any room for anything. I'll kind of show you guys really quickly. Everything is just everywhere and I really need to get on the ball. So let me know what you guys would like me to organize next. Lipsticks, I mean, this whole drawer. And I hate that nothing, oh, this is gonna fall. I really dislike that. Oh, there's a powder in here. Oh, there's another powder. See, everything is just everywhere. Nothing is like where it's supposed to be and it's just crazy. Let me know what you would like to see next and I really want to get these up weekly. I know that I am notorious for saying that I'm gonna do things for my channel and then I don't because I feel like I just have way too many ideas on one thing at a time. So right now I really want to focus on organizing my makeup room and I want to share that journey with you guys. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I'm very active on all my socials. I love engaging with the people. So all right, bye guys, have a good day.